Have you ever heard of a mountain so sacred that no one has ever been allowed to climb it? A peak believed by billions to be the very center of the universe, the axis mundi connecting heaven and earth? Today we journey to the remote Himalayas to uncover the profound mysteries of Mount Kailash. Is it merely a geological wonder, or could it be the gateway to another dimension? Join us as we explore the secrets hidden within this enigmatic pyramid of rock and ice. For billions of people across Asia, Mount Kailash isn't just a mountain. It's the earthly abode of deities, a cosmic pillar, and the source of life itself. In Hinduism, it's revered as the home of Lord Shiva, the destroyer of ignorance and illusion, who sits in a state of perpetual meditation, maintaining the harmony of the cosmos. For Buddhists, it's the dwelling place of Dimchog, representing supreme bliss. Jains believe it's the site where their first prophet, Rishabhadeva, attained enlightenment. And for the followers of the ancient Bon religion of Tibet, it is the place where their founder descended from the heavens. This convergence of faiths makes Kailash a uniquely powerful spiritual nexus, drawing pilgrims from all corners of the globe who brave treacherous conditions just to circle its base. But the reverence for Mount Kailash extends beyond religious texts. Ancient scriptures describe it as Meru, the cosmic mountain at the center of all physical universes, from which the continents and oceans of our world unfurl. This isn't just a metaphor. Geographically, Kailash is the source of four of Asia's most vital rivers, the Indus, the Brahmaputra, the Sutlej, and the Karnali, a major tributary of the Ganges. It's almost as if the mountain is a life-giving heart. This remarkable hydrographic layout has led many to wonder if ancient peoples knew something about the Earth's geography that modern science is only now beginning to appreciate. One of the most baffling mysteries surrounding Mount Kailash is that it remains unclimbed. It's not the tallest peak in the Himalayas. Everest towers over it by more than 2,000 meters. Yet, while thousands have stood atop Everest, no one has ever successfully summited Kailash. It's not for lack of trying. Several experienced mountaineers in the 20th century attempted to scale it, only to be thwarted by inexplicably bad weather, or a profound sense of spiritual dread that forced them to turn back. The legendary climber Reinhold Messner was given permission by the Chinese government to climb it, but ultimately declined, stating that it would be a sacrilege to tread upon such a sacred peak. Today, climbing Mount Kailash is officially forbidden. Pilgrims believe that to even attempt it is a grave offense against the divine forces that reside there. This has fueled speculation. Is there a hidden force protecting the mountain? Many who have visited the area report strange phenomena. Pilgrims and researchers have anecdotally claimed that hair and fingernails grow faster in the vicinity of Kailash, as if time itself is accelerating. While this is scientifically unverified, the stories persist. Could this be a natural anomaly? Some theories propose that the mountain sits on a powerful geomagnetic vortex, a point of intense energy that could affect human biology and even our perception of time and space. This idea ties into the belief that Kailash might be a gateway to another dimension. Let's explore that mind-bending idea. Ancient texts hint at hidden worlds and celestial realms accessible from this sacred site. Some researchers, looking at the mountain's pyramid-like shape and its precise alignment with other ancient monuments like the pyramids of Giza and Stonehenge, have proposed a theory of a worldwide grid of energy lines. It's a man-made pyramid or a structure of immense antiquity. They point to its four sheer faces as evidence of intelligent design rather than natural formation. Be a folk memory of advanced beings using Kailash as an interdimensional or interplanetary access point? It's a fascinating theory that bridges the gap between spirituality and science fiction. Adding to the enigma are the two mystical lakes at the foot of Mount Kailash, Lake Manasarovar and Lake Rakshastal. Manasarovar, the lake of consciousness, is a freshwater lake, calm and serene, shaped like the sun. Pilgrims believe its waters can cleanse the sins of a lifetime. It's a saltwater lake, often turbulent, and shaped like a crescent moon. No life grows on its shores. According to legend, it was created by the demon king Ravana during his penance to please Lord Shiva. The stark contrast between these two bodies of water, representing light and dark, good and evil, creation and destruction, perfectly mirrors the dualistic forces of the universe. The most important ritual for any visitor is the Kora, or circumambulation of the mountain. This 52-kilometer trek is one of the most arduous pilgrimages on Earth. For Tibetans, completing one Kora is believed to erase the sins of a current lifetime. Completing 108 circuits is said to guarantee enlightenment. The journey is a microcosm of life itself, a test of physical endurance, mental fortitude, and spiritual devotion. Pilgrims face freezing temperatures, unpredictable weather, and the constant strain of high altitude. Yet they push forward, chanting mantras, their every step a prayer. They believe that the physical act of circling this cosmic axis aligns their own energy with the energy of the universe, bringing them closer to the divine and to their true selves. Is it the home of the gods, a powerful energy vortex, an ancient alien pyramid? Or simply a magnificent geological formation that has inspired human devotion for millennia? Perhaps the answer isn't one single thing. The power of Mount Kailash may lie not in a verifiable scientific fact, but in its ability to hold all these possibilities at once. It is a mirror reflecting our deepest questions about existence, our place in the cosmos, and the nature of the divine. The mysteries are not meant to be solved, but to be experienced. The unanswered questions are what keep the magic alive, drawing us back to the foot of this silent, snow-capped sovereign. It stands as a timeless reminder that there are still places on this earth that command our reverence, places that are beyond human conquest and comprehension. The true secret of Mount Kailash might be that it teaches us humility. In a world where we strive to conquer, control, and explain everything, Kailash remains inviolable. A symbol of a power far greater than our own, it invites us not to climb its peak, but to circle its base, but to surrender to its mystery. And in that surrender, perhaps we find what we were searching for all along. Thank you so much for joining us on this incredible journey to the center of the world. What do you believe about Mount Kailash? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this exploration of ancient mysteries, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next adventure. Until next time, stay curious.